is 12.20. This one 11. This one 10. This one 9.20. This one 8.3. 8.3 voltage. Now this here is 7.4. Here is 6.6. Here is 5.8. 5.8. Here is 4.9. Here is. Now I am going to make a voltage regulator using the diode. We know one diode reduce 0.7 volt. If we use 1 voltage before the diode, after diode we will get 0.3 voltage. 0.7 voltage reduce this diode. Every diode reduce 0.7 voltage. Here our battery is 12 voltage. In full charge the battery can be 14 voltage. So we have to take minimum 20 diode. Minimum 20 diode. 20 diode can reduce the 14 voltage. So we have to connect 20 diode after 1 by 1. Our battery is 14, so 14 divide 0.7 is equal to 20. 14 divide 0.7 is equal to 20. So we need 20 diode. We need 20 diode to make this circuit. To make this circuit, we need 20 diode. I already connect 3. Now this is number 4 diode. This is number 4. I have to take 20 diode. This is number 4. This is 5. I'm connecting 5 diode. You also can solder here. I will solder later. Now I am checking first. This is number 6. This is number 6 diode. I am using here 5400 diode. If you want to take better performance, you can use 5408. 5408 will be good for this circuit diagram. I am just checking this circuit diagram. For this case I am using 5400. If you want to use to control the motor or light in heavy duty, you have to use 54008 or 6 ampere diode like this. This is last. I use a 19 diode. I use 19 diode. So let's check it will work or not. The circuit. Let's check it. This is first. This is the negative voltage. Negative and positive. It is 12.70. 12.70 voltage. I have to check. Replace. Let's check. Positive, and here is starting. I have to start from the negative. I have to start from the negative. Negative. This is 1190, 1132, 1065. Then here is 933. Here is 866. Here is 790. Here is 732. Here is 5660. Here is 6 voltage. Here is 5.3. Here is 4.6. Here is 3.9. Here is 3.3. here is 2.6, here is 2.0, here is 1.3, here is 0.6 volts. See this, how this circuit is working well. Now let's check using the light. I'm checking using this light. I am checking this circuit using this light. This is the negative voltage. That side is lower voltage can work. This is 12 voltage. This is 12, 11, 11, 5, 10, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 4.3.5, 3, 2.5. After 2.5 the light is not working, so this circuit is working well. We can make this circuit. We can use this circuit to control the motor also. Motor and light both can control using this circuit. Let's check this light is also using this meter. Using this meter, let's check it. I am checking the circuit also using this meter. This is 12.20, this one 11, this one 10, this one 9.20, this one 8.3 voltage. Now this here is 7.4, here is 6.6, here is 5.8, 5.8, here is 4.9, here is 4.20, 230, here is 2. You can see here is 2 voltage. In 2 voltage also light can making light. Here is 1.4 voltage. After in 1 voltage light cannot work. Light cannot make light. So this bulb cannot make light using this 1 voltage. So this circuit is working. You can see it is very easy, and it is a fixed voltage. We will get fixed voltage from each diode. Fixed voltage from his diode connection. This is very easy. This is 10 voltage.